This one is pretty insane. I wonder how many calories it is.
You guys are bonding, I feel like.
Coming soon, Braden. All right, welcome everybody. It's been a while since Braden and I have come together to do a challenge. This one is pretty insane. You're probably wondering like, what the heck? Well, I'm thinking the same thing. It's called the what?
McLAND Sea and Air Burger.
The McLAND Sea and Air Burger. Okay, this is an item, it's a secret menu item at McDonald's that you can't just order at the drive-thru. You have to order the burgers separately, put them together. What it is, it's a Big Mac. Okay, so the meat, that is the land.
The meat, yeah.
The meat is the land. Then you have the chicken, which is the air, right? Because the bird, even though it doesn't fly. Okay? And then the sea is the fish. So we got the land, sea, and air burger. And what we do is we're gonna put them together right now. And then we're gonna see who can finish it.
So what goes first?
I'd say the land. Land, sea, and air. It's literally, it's like 11:15 right now.
No, it's 12.
11:50.
It's 12 right now. Braden's like, let's do an eating challenge. So that's what we're doing. All right, so there's no real time challenge to this. With it being so big, I mean, we can't even get a bite into it. We're going like a full bite. We're just gonna see who can finish it. All right, so here we go. Huh?
Need napkins? Braden's got it all over his face and nose.
Oh my goodness. It's like you bite into it and your nose goes into the burger above.
Man, this one's just like,
Not bad.
I think it's really good.
I wonder how many calories it is.
Oh man, we could probably figure it
We'll put
out.
all the information up on how many calories this is.
Diet starts Monday.
I called them and I was like, do you guys have the land, sea, and air burger? She's like, the what?
What is that?
Then we looked it up and it like told us how to make it.
Pretty difficult.
You can also do it instead of a Big Mac, you can do a McDouble. As long as you have two double meat patties.
Tired yet?
I'm tired, but
Are you gonna finish it?
I could finish it. I might give Ethan the last bite. Ethan like is begging for it over here.
So hungry.
He's like waiting. He's hoping they don't finish. Are you done, Braden?
No.
Oh shoot, he's catching up. Did you throw some away?
No.
Still got some fake meat right there. Plastic meat.
I don't even know what it's like this half of this stuff is anymore.
Dude, good job. I'm actually proud of you. You got through that.
You guys are bonding, I feel like. This is a great bonding
Braden,
moment.
you can eat that in one bite. Well, at least I. Oh, you're trying to put it back together. Oh, Braden's on his like last bite.
I
Totally
can't
his
fit this
la-
in my mouth.
I can't.
Try it.
No.
Down to the wire.
All right, what we got? What are we down to? What are we down to? One more bite for Danielson. Braden, are you done?
Yeah.
Finish that, dude. How are you gonna not finish that?
I'm gonna throw up. It's just bun.
Oh,
It's just a bunch of bun.
Huh?
Bunzo. Oh, last bite. Look at that. Oh,
Hiccup.
don't even.
Hiccup.
Sure.
Don't talk about it. It's gonna make me gag. Don't. Don't do that.
All right.
All right. So we figured it all out. And we added it all up. It was what?
1,522
22.
calories.
Wow, 1,522 calories. I literally just ate in a matter of like 5 minutes.
Oh, that's so gross.
Hey, so that was pretty fun. Quick, easy, simple little food challenge. Go check out Secret Menus. Look up online. Also, comment down below. Let us know any other Secret Menu items you guys want us to do. Coming soon, Braden, his eating channel. He's gonna do a bunch of eating challenges. All right? So, and guess what? He will talk.
What?
He will talk. Boom.
You ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he wanted to do this challenge. Oh man, seriously, I'm gonna be sick, but hey, you do what you gotta do. Alright, so that concludes our McLAND Sea and Air Burger Eat Off.
Challenge.
So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. Make sure you like this video. Give it as many thumbs up as you can. Yeah, so don't forget to like this. We need at least 1,000 likes per computer on this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.